Welcome to our YouTube channel, My English Portal. Today, we are talking about one of the most terrifying man-made disasters in human history. A disaster that did not arrive with sirens or shock waves felt across cities, but with silence. Invisible, odorless, and irreversible. This is the story of the Chernobyl disaster. Chernobyl was not just a nuclear accident, it was the result of human overconfidence, ignored warnings, hidden flaws, and a culture of silence. Its consequences are still unfolding decades later. On the night of 26 April 1986, engineers at Reactor 4 of the Chernobyl nuclear power plant were conducting what was supposed to be a routine safety test. The purpose was simple. If external power failed, could the reactor's turbines generate enough electricity for a few seconds to keep the cooling systems running? But slowly, control slipped away. Safety protocols were bypassed, warnings were misunderstood or ignored, critical design flaws remained concealed. What began as a controlled test turned into a dangerous experiment. At 1:23 a.m., two powerful explosions ripped through Reactor 4. The reactor core was exposed to open air. A fire erupted. But this was not an ordinary fire, it was radioactive. Just a few kilometers away, the city of Pripyat slept peacefully. Children went to school the next morning, people went to work. There were no alarms, no evacuation orders, no explanations. Radiation has no smell, no color, no sound, and that made it even more deadly. When firefighters arrived, they believed they were battling a normal industrial blaze. Some of them picked up glowing pieces of graphite with their bare hands, unaware that they were holding fragments of the reactor core itself. Many of those firefighters would not survive the following weeks. The world only realized the scale of the catastrophe when radioactive clouds were detected across Europe. Only then did the Soviet Union acknowledge that something had gone terribly wrong. Pripyat was evacuated 36 hours later. Residents were told they would return in a few days. They never did. Homes, schools, toys, photographs, and an unopened amusement park were abandoned overnight. Time froze. Nature slowly reclaimed the city. Trees grew through concrete. Animals returned to places humans could no longer inhabit. Hundreds of thousands of workers, later known as liquidators, were sent to contain the disaster. With minimal protection and limited information, they built a massive concrete structure to seal the reactor, fully aware that the cost might be their own lives. Chernobyl lies in northern Ukraine near the border with Belarus. Today, the surrounding area is known as the Chernobyl Exclusion Zone, a restricted region where radiation still lingers in the soil, buildings, and memory. To understand why this disaster mattered so deeply, we must understand nuclear energy itself. Nuclear power is generated through a process called nuclear fission. Inside a reactor, uranium atoms are split, releasing enormous heat. That heat turns water into steam. The steam spins turbines, the turbines generate electricity. In principle, a nuclear power plant works much like a thermal power plant, except the heat comes from splitting atoms instead of burning fuel. So an important question arises: is nuclear power safe? Today, nuclear power plants are far safer than they were in 1986. After Chernobyl, reactor designs were improved, multiple backup systems were introduced, international safety regulations were strengthened, and emergency response protocols were standardized. When managed responsibly, nuclear energy has a strong safety record. The real danger does not lie in the technology itself, but in human error, secrecy, and negligence. Like any powerful technology, nuclear energy has both strengths and risks. It produces vast amounts of electricity with low carbon emissions. It provides stable and continuous power. It reduces dependence on fossil fuels. At the same time, nuclear accidents can be catastrophic. Radioactive waste remains dangerous for thousands of years. Costs are high, and transparency is non-negotiable. Chernobyl changed how the world views nuclear power, government accountability, and human responsibility. It proved that advanced technology without discipline and honesty can be more dangerous than ignorance itself. Today, Chernobyl stands as a silent warning. not of one single mistake, but of many small mistakes made with confidence. And perhaps that is the most unsettling lesson of all. That was the story of the infamous Chernobyl tragedy. Subscribe to our channel to stay aware of such stories. Keep sharing, keep learning.